already have received a thick packet in the mail. It's about 14 pages long, but don't you dare throw that away because apparently it is very important. We're going to be talking about that right about now on Kababayan LA with our Kababayan John. Hello and welcome to the show.
Salamat.
John is with Asian
Pacific American Legal Center.
Ayan,
Yeah.
sabi ko na nga ba, malilito ako dun. Asian Pacific American Legal Center, and we're here to talk about American Community Survey, and that's what you're getting in the mail, 14 pages. And how important is that?
Napaka-importante na kumpletuhin lahat natin ng ACS. Iba siya sa census form na natanggap natin noong 2010 kasi itong ACS ay mahaba. Sabi mo 14 pages long. At mga tanong doon ay detalyado talaga.
Okay. May mga tanong doon tungkol sa kanilang immigration status. And alam naman natin, it's a very sensitive topics for our kababayans. In fact, minsan sa census, we don't even fill it out dahil natatakot tayong malaman ng iba na hindi maayos yung immigration papers natin dito. So what about ACS? Kung sagutan namin yon, may anong implication nun?
Walang implications kasi ang impormasyon na makukuha sa ACS ay confidential. At kung sino man na they give this information sa labas, may mga
parusa.
Parusa. Halimbawa ng prison na 5 years, 5 years o baka makatanggap sila ng 250,000 na penalty or both.
Good.
So grabe talaga.
So we've got that cleared. Whatever it is that you say there, any confidential information will remain confidential because the people who will not keep it in confidence will be liable.
Tama.
At maaari silang makulong. Medyo nakakatakot yan. Now, saan ba ginagamit ang mga information that we get from ACS?
Yung mga taga-LA, kung napansin natin na biglang maraming mga eskwelahan na pinatayo, ginamit ng LAUSD yung information nang galing sa ACS sa pagpapatayo ng bagong eskwelahan. Kasama din po din ng pagpapatayo ng mga ospital, mga kalye, highways, at saka doon malalaman ng gobyerno kung ang mga school natin ay overcrowded, di ba?
Right.
At saka, halimbawa, especially now na nasa recession tayo, na marami dito sa komunidad natin na walang trabaho. Doon na lang malalaman na ay kailangan natin ng mga bagong job training programs. At saka, yung pinaka-importante, $400 billion in government funds. Dito nila malalaman kung paano gagastusin ang mga funds na yon.
Right. So bottom line is, it is to our advantage na sagutan natin yan dahil para malaman ng gobyerno kung ano yung mga serbisyong kailangan natin, kung paano nila i-allocate ang $400
billion.
$400 billion in funds. And in fact, you know, John, wala rin tayong choice because filling this out is actually mandatory.
Yes.
Para naman doon sa mga ayaw pa rin mag-fill out, anong mangyayari?
Nako, baka may pupunta sa bahay ninyo.
Papaluin kayo.
Natutulungan kayo na fill up yung application. So, kung ako po sa inyo, gawin nyo na yung survey, di ba? We save time, also we save taxpayers' money.
Right. Para mas maidagdag pa pwede yun sa mga budget na pwedeng magamit sa mas importanteng paraan. Now, is there a deadline?
Walang deadline. May mga tao dyan na nakatanggap ng ACS form noong 2010, pwede din bukas nila matanggap yung ACS form.
Alright.
At kailangan kong sabihin na randomly chosen ang mga tao nito. Approximately every year, 2.5% ang makakatanggap nito o 3 milyong mga address.
Right. So not everybody gets to receive it. Pero pag kayo po ay nakatanggap, importante, ngayong hapon, pinag-uusapan sa Kababayan LA ang American Community Survey. This is different from the census. Kung kayo po ay nag-fill out ng census, iba pa po ito. And you have to fill this out. Otherwise, may kakatok sa bahay nyo, tutulungan kayo mag-fill out nito at importante ito for us,
Tama
correct?
po, tama. $400 billion in government funds.
And now, if we have any questions, what can we do? Where can we call?
Pwede nyo akong tawagan. Ang telepon ako, 213-977-7500, extension 241. At pwede akong
magpaliwanag. Oo. Kung halimbawa hindi nila alam sagutan, pwede ka rin tawagan. Exactly.
Pwede.
So that's the number to call on the screen. And remember, even if you don't have your immigration status in order here, you still need to fill that out. And don't worry about it because all information will remain confidential. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And more power to you.
Thank you.
We'll be back for more in Kababayan LA talking about the big party happening this Sunday. I will be there, and I'd love for all of you to be there as well. We'll talk about the details when we return. Don't go away.